Hello, my name is Eric Stine. I'm a Senior Staff Solutions Architect with our cloud provider team at VMware. And today we're going to talk about the VMware Cloud Director Lightning Lab. Lightning Lab is a lab that's meant to take 30 minutes or less. The Cloud Director Lightning Lab is focused on the tenant use case, so it walks you through consuming resources within Cloud Director. The typical user would be a tenant of Cloud Director. I actually built this lab with my cloud partners in mind in hopes that they could use it to educate their users on how to navigate Cloud Director. We update the lab every year to take advantage of new versions as they're released, and so as new versions and features come out, they are incorporated into the lab. Please take the Cloud Director Lightning Lab to get familiar with how to consume resources within VMware Cloud Director.